When it comes to sauces, one that my children absolutely love is barbecue sauce, especially Jordan. So I decided to make it at home, and boy did I find out it is way better than the store-bought stuff. Plus, it is so easy to make. You will need a few things, which you probably have in your pantry. Ketchup, sriracha sauce, maple syrup, balsamic vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, some liquid smoke, brown sugar, smoked paprika, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, some grated garlic, chicken powder of course, and some cumin powder. We're gonna start. All the measurements will be in a caption. We're gonna add some sriracha sauce. This is gonna add a little spicy element to the barbecue sauce. And if you're like my kids, you wouldn't mind this heat at all. Can you leave this out? Absolutely. You would have to substitute it for more ketchup. Beautiful reddish color. Next, we're gonna use balsamic vinegar. You can use the regular vinegar, but I find that this vinegar brings more depth to your barbecue sauce. Vinegar in. Next, we're gonna add some Worcestershire sauce for that umami that we all love. If you're vegan, you can substitute this with tamari sauce. We're gonna add some brown sugar. Light brown sugar is okay as well. Okay. This is where it gets very custom. I'm using maple syrup instead of honey, and this makes it taste so good. Next, we're gonna add some liquid smoke, which is gonna bring that barbecue flavor. Really enhances the smoky flavor of the sauce. We're getting to the fun part, which is the seasoning. This could make or break your sauce. Always remember to season, of course, to your taste. We're gonna start with some chicken powder. We're gonna add some freshly grated garlic. Next, we're gonna use some smoked paprika. Of course, you can use the regular paprika, but I find that this brings more depth to the barbecue sauce. Garlic powder, onion powder, cumin powder, then some black pepper. I'm gonna gently stir it all in and let this cook and thicken. It will take about 30 minutes. So this is gonna cook for like 30 minutes, and you will see that it will thicken. If you want it more watery, of course you can add some water, but I think having a thick sauce to begin with shortens the cooking time. There we have it. We're all done with our homemade barbecue sauce. I'm gonna pour it into the gravy bowl so you see how. So